Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to remove your house picture or any picture from Zillow. So this is official, this article is from Zillow and they have mentioned each and every step here. So you have to just go to your Zillow profile, then you have to click on your profile icon which is on the top right side corner, then select your home. So once you open your website, you have to sign in into your account, and on the top right there's a profile icon, just go and select your home section. Now click on the title for your home to load the property page. So as you know, in the Zillow there's a lot of properties, and maybe you would have more than one, more than 2 or 3 listing. It's more than one, then it will show you like this. If you have only one, then just go and click on this. Once you click on it, once you have claimed your home, click on the edit facts icon for the owner view of the property page and click on edit facts. Right, once you click on here, to remove a photo, click on individual photo and click remove photo. And once you click on any of the photo, you will get this option. Click on here to rearrange photos, click on individual photos and hold the left mouse button down. Drag any photo you desire placed in the photo group order. To remove all the photos, click delete all photos. Alternatively, you can hide the photos from public view by clicking the checkbox to hide photos displayed on your home Zillow page. Save your changes by clicking on the save changes and then it's done. So this is how you can do it. And for some reason, recently sold homes, you will see this option to hide all but the primary photos on the edit fact screen. If you want to do this, you can also do this. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.